I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Now choose Trigger. Fluent Support. Now copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now go to the Fluent Support dashboard. Navigate to the workflows. Add new workflow. Give here a meaningful workflow name. Choose workflow type. Continue. Choose workflow trigger. Choose an action trigger outgoing webhook. Now paste the webhook URL and give the action title. Save it. Now publish the workflow. Navigate to the ticket. Create a ticket to fetch the data. Here you can see the data has been fetched successfully. Set action. Search and select actions. Pabbly. Give here the webhook link. So visit Pabbly dashboard. Create workflow. Give a name. Create. Search a trigger webhook. Copy the webhook URL and paste it here. Body. Send all data. Choose application JSON. Test webhook. Webhook executed successfully done. Next. Finish and save it. Now go to Pabbly site and choose Actions. Airtable. Choose Action Event. Create record. Connect. Add new connection. Give here token. So click on Developer Hub. Create token. Give here a token name. Add scopes. Add a base. Create token. Copy the token and paste it here. Save. Map the respective fields. Save. Go to Fluent Support and create a ticket. Ticket created successfully. Now go to Airtable site and here you can see the data came successfully in Airtable via Pabbly. Thanks for watching.